you're looking for a video with a happy ending today, there's a 90% chance you could just shove it up your ass. Back in action, we're back in action, man. Crap editing on this video, first off, probably. I'm already pissed off, I don't want to rewatch. I think I'm pissed off. I'm quite sure I'm pissed off. Of course, Bran's an idiot, as you guys know. Oh, we didn't know that, Bran. Shut up. I'm gonna change my mood for a second. Y'all will get it in a bit once I actually show you what I see here, or what I feel, I guess. What else? This video, thanks for watching. This video is supposed to be sponsored by Rose Gold and Black today. I'm gonna tell them we have to do it tomorrow because nobody wants to be sponsored by Bran when I'm in this mood. We'll just roll my clip. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com. If you guys are looking for real cheap jewelry, as you see on the page right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the quality is not the greatest ever, but it's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You like that one right there? Buy it. You can actually add 2 free pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping, boys, with the link down below, NameBranFam.com. Boys, you know Brands for the family, Brands for the boys, and that's why NameBranFam is a thing. Thank you for sponsoring us. Me, nobody else will. Alright, man. Just get into my mind for a second. First off, this is what happened. You know that ICEBOX box that I've been saying I was gonna buy for a long time? This one, it's very, very sick. Well, I finally pulled the trigger on it, but not in the best way, I don't think. I'm not even trying with this video, boys. I'm really pissed, but it's all my fault. Why do you guys hit me up? Bran, why do you keep doing this? You always get scammed. Get into my mind for a second. Somebody hit me up saying they've got that box, it's used. They'll sell it to me for a certain amount of money. And if you guys don't know, I've been talking about getting this box for a long time, man. It's a sick jewelry box. I want it mostly for display purposes than anything. I think it'd be sick, like right there, you know, where everyone can see it. Subscriber hit me up saying they had it. Long story short, I purchased it. Now keep in mind, you guys already know, I'm just gonna tell you right now, I haven't opened this, but I feel the box, I know it's iffy. You guys are always probably like, and get in my mind for one more second, are always like, man, you're always getting scammed, be more careful. The way that I am in my mind, and I'm really, if this is actually what's in it is real, I'm an idiot, and this whole video is gonna be weird. I'm all about content, boys. I'm all about entertaining. So when one of you guys hits me up, a lot of times we have gotten scammed from you guys. Keep in mind, a lot of you guys rock, but one of you guys might suck in a second. I know there's a possibility I'm gonna get scammed, but at the end of the day, I don't really worry about that when buying products from you guys because I'll get a video regardless. If I get scammed, a lot of you guys like that, and I don't really care when I'm purchasing it, really, until it comes in the mail and I realize, wow, I actually did maybe get scammed, because I'll tell you guys, I'm just freaking spitfiring here. I'll tell you guys, a lot of the times when I do buy things off you guys, and there's a lot that I don't show on videos, if we're like trading autographs or like certain collectible Supreme that I have and stuff like that, most of the time I don't get scammed. If I do end up getting scammed, once again, this is just my mindset behind it. We have a video. I'm also smart lately of using not friends and family on PayPal, which means if you use friends and family on PayPal for paying for a product, you won't get your money back if you get scammed. I'm paying for goods and services, so I'm not that mad yet. But anyway, in this is supposed to be the ICEBOX jewelry box that we've all been wanting for a long time. I've been wanting it really bad, and you know it's not it. Bran got again. Sorry, I was really excited for this video to show you guys. I'm just gonna buy the thing off the frickin' website now. ICEBOX, if you want to help me out on it, guys, hit up ICEBOX. Say Bran really wants it. Here's how I know it's weird, man. Look at the box. I'm putting the picture on the screen. Listen to this. It sounds like a goddamn bunch of Hot Wheels. The box I'm trying to buy is padded. I think it's like 1,200 bucks Canadian or American on their website. It's very expensive. I bought this for a little more than half the price from this dude. I'll get my money back. I'm just kind of sad that I'm not getting this freaking ICEBOX thing. It's just, once again, boys, this is all I know. Like, there's Lego in it, man. Let's unbox what I was supposed to, I don't know, guys. This is why the video is so late today, because I've been bummed out, kind of wondering how I'm gonna take this video. Do I want to unbox it first, or tell the story and then unbox it? Because I guarantee you this isn't what the box is. Unless he sent freebies, but even that, oh god, I didn't even think about that. Maybe he sent some extra stuff. It just, nothing makes sense with the sound, boys. Let's get into it. I spent a lot of money. This is weird, don't do this, but anyway, here we go, boys. I was really wondering if I was just gonna crack this first, then do a video or do a video at all. Although, I've been really busy lately. I haven't done a video in a couple of days. Got a bunch of family stuff going on. But, oh god, here we go. You already know. Gonna get my money back regardless, but then after a while, you just get excited. Yeah. I don't know if you could see that, actually. It does kind of look like a jewelry box. So, okay, here we go. Okay, so you got me a jewelry box. You idiot! Oh, great. God damn, they actually put work into it. That's kind of funny. Like, you got me a little bit. I'm gonna get my money back. It's funny-ish. Frickin' took a picture of what it looks like to be the actual jewelry box. Frickin' taped her on top. What an unhappy video. My bad, boys. I also kind of hurt a little bit. I gotta clean this up now. There's shards of shit everywhere. Okay, this is what we got. I don't know why you needed to do the video. To be honest, I needed to do the video to make myself feel a little better. If this is gonna entertain someone, that's kind of my goal here, like I say. So if I got scammed, we got to do it. They sent the jewelry box. That's not the ICEBOX box. Funny gift for sure. Definitely make sure to comment down below if this was you that sent it so I can block you immediately. I'm really trying to... It is kind of a funny goof. Like, they did spend money on this thing. I don't know why I actually broke it. It was kind of nice, to be honest. Oh, shoot. Whatever. Anyway, there's the video, boys. I wish I could tell you more about it, but I'm not. Because this sucks, and everything's gonna... This is all gonna be one take, probably. So, anyway, yeah, knew it. At least there's no Hot Wheels in there, although Hot Wheels probably would have been better than a broken jewelry box. Appreciate you guys. I document everything. It's like a vlog style when we do this stuff, man. When I make mistakes, I guess I gotta let you guys know I made a mistake and I'm an idiot. So, alright, cool. Appreciate y'all. Working game graceful time. Freaking 1,500 thumbs up down below. Literally today. And I'll just literally pull the trigger and buy the one off the ICEBOX website. I just want it now. Whatever. Peace, guys. Appreciate you. Sorry for being lame in this video, but you could probably... It's all my fault. I don't know. Don't feel sorry for me.